Oh, so we got Zob's mini bike here. So we got. How about you tell us a little bit about this here?
So, a guy locally was selling this Motorbox frame for $70, and he was gonna throw it out. So I was like, $70, not bad. So I looked at a few reviews on it, and it's actually a really good frame. It comes with brakes already. So those were disc brakes. It comes with little nice side pedals that are extendable, blah blah blah. Kickstand comes with like mud flaps and everything. And this thing I think is about $300 or something like that if you buy it with the old engine they put on it. And the main complaint about the old one, or the main complaint with this one is the engine just isn't powerful enough, and it fails pretty easily, which is exactly what happened to the guy who was getting rid of this. So, bought it, and we had an engine from a pressure washer I took apart maybe, 4 or 5 months ago. The problem with this engine was that the compression was really, really high, and you could not start anything without lifting it up. Like, you could hold the pull cord and lift up the engine, just start crowing the engine, and feel like nothing happened. So YouTube, of course, helps. It turned out inside here, so this is cam shaft, there's a belt, timing belt, and everything inside there. Pretty much had to buy a new cam. It's like $10, which is not bad. Fixed the engine, works like charm now.
Yeah. So pretty much, this is the old cam right here. So these cams, they have a little clip there that is supposed to release. It lets off some of the compression so you can actually start the vehicle. This one, there was a clip in there that failed. It come loose, and it was not releasing properly. So this old cam is junk. We got a new one pretty cheap and just installed it. It's a pretty easy install. YouTube is very helpful with that. And yeah, getting this engine in here, tight squeeze. We could not run the air filter cover on it because we had that frame tube. You can see the clearance on it, and it's pretty tight. And being this is a slightly larger block, we're not able to use those back mounting screws. We only have the front two, which, it'll be all right. Nothing to worry about there, right? These engines, it's a 3/4 shaft on them with a 3/16 key, and he's running, I believe it's a 10-tooth clutch on there from Max Torque. It's a number 35 chain, and he's running a 72-tooth sprocket in the back, so he's got torque to high heaven.
A lot of it.
So that would be his mini bike. It's a great frame, came with literally everything it needed except an engine, so got a sweet deal on it, and it performs actually really well. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it was a little bit of a short one, but we just kind of want to give you a little bit of an overview of what you can do if you are on a low budget and you want something that can perform. Zob's mini bike was just that. He did not spend very much money at all on that frame, and the engine was actually free. So just want to give you a little bit of an idea what you can do if not really having the most money to spend on a project, and you still want something that can perform really well because his bike is just incredible. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and we'll see you in the next one.